Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the one to hide, like a diamond in a sight.
Hello friends, welcome to my channel Vector Media. This is Polomi. I've come again with another exciting tutorial on how to change your background of any video. If you want to remove a video background, then the background has to be flawless green. I would urge you to watch the complete video because I would be using Adobe Premiere Pro. So with that, let us straight head over my computer and see what. Okay, now I'm going to show you the same functionality how to change the background of a video using Premiere Pro. So I'm on the home screen now. I'll have to go to new project. I'll just name my project, suppose VG Remover, and then browse. Now you will have to open the folder where your original videos are existing. So I'm going to open this folder and I will have to take this, drag and drop it here. That's the easiest way I find. So I have taken the background. I am going to use this video as a background, and this video I'm going to modify. Now simply I'll have to drag this again and bring it to the panel. So we have two layers here. One is video and one is audio layer. So I'm going to work on the video layer. So as soon as I am selecting this video layer, it is giving me two options. One is this is video effect control. I'll have to work on this, and first I'll have to select this effects, and in effects panel in right hand side you will find these many options. From there you'll have to go to just video effects, and you'll have to click on this small down arrow, and I'll have to select the this arrow. You can see this arrow. So you'll have to go to, there are many other options, you can use it, but for the time being I'm going to use Ultra key. This is the best used key. So I'm going to just drag it and drop it to my video layer. As soon as I drop it here, in this left hand side corner you will find this Ultra key button. Otherwise this Ultra key would have not been here, right? So under this Ultra key button you'll have to go to this pane, key control pane, right? You'll have to select and you'll have to put it to the color which you want to remove. Like I want this background green color to be removed, so I have taken this key dropper to the green color. Now this is removed. Now I'll have to change this shadow part, right? There are some shadows. So if you're having any shadow at the background like I am having, I will have to go to matte generation. I'll have to just click on this arrow, and here you mainly work on highlight, shadow and tolerance part. Like my highlight is 10, I can just increase and decrease it. I'll have to decrease it for a while, so I'll have to make it 0. You'll have to check which one is working, right? So shadow I'll have to again reduce, and tolerance I think I'll have to increase. So, and this transparency I have to make it 44 to 46. So now as my background is completely black, now this is time I should be bringing my original background which I want to give. So I'll have to change the layer from this down layer, down panel to the upper panel. Now how will you understand where to shift your video? You see this V1, V2, V3, all these three panels are for video. So you can add 3 layers here, and for audio this is A1, A2, A3. So you basically can add 3 different layers over here. You can add more layers as well. Now from here I'll have to just drag it and drop it here. Now you see, once if I drop, it is not covering my entire video, so I need to drop it once again, and I'll have to just minimize the length of this video to the exact length of my original video. And now I will just play and see if everything is alright. The background has been removed, but the problem is this is not 100% fit to my screen. If I want to make it for a longer video of YouTube, I'll have to just select on the video part. Now I'll have to go to sequence, and from there auto reframe, and here 9:16 is the original frame size. For me, I will have to change it to 16:9, and then create, and then I'll have to keep it fit. So fit to screen means it will fit or automatically to the screen size. Now if I play, this is how it is playing, right? So my background is nicely removed and my entire video is on 16:9 frame, and I'm done, right? So thank you so much for being with me. If you liked my video, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, and please do subscribe to my channel. Your subscription means the world to me. And friends, those who have already subscribed to my channel help me to grow my channel and given me enough motivation. Thank you so very much from core of my heart. With that, I'll be wrapping up. This is Poulomi. I'm signing off for today. I'll come back with some stunning video like this next week. Till then, stay safe, stay legendary.